Welcome to the Knowledge Nest. Dive into the wonders of animals, birds, and wild nature. 50 unique questions, just pure and fascinating natural facts. How many can you get right? Please like, comment, and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. What animal can delay pregnancy? What bird has the largest eyes? What is the highest recorded temperature? What causes polar stratospheric clouds? What animal tastes with its antennae? What bird builds bowers? What is the largest living reptile? What causes supercell thunderstorms? What animal's milk is pink? What bird has the longest bill? What is Earth's largest island? What causes desert pavements? What animal's tongue is longer than body? What bird can feed its young milk? What is the fastest current on Earth? What phenomenon forms icicles from water? What insect hears with its knees? What bird lays sticky eggs? What is the world's largest volcanic lake? What causes tidal bores? What animal has a natural sunscreen? What bird has a throat pouch? What is the highest point in Africa? What causes frost flowers? What animal has no true teeth? What bird is known for its mobbing behavior? What is the most common element in Earth's crust? What phenomenon is a haboob? What animal has a single horn? What bird uses stones to break eggs? What is the deepest known cave? What causes petrified wood? What animal communicates by changing colors? What bird can mimic phone sounds? What is the highest mountain range? What phenomenon is fog bow known as? What animal has transparent head? What bird can fly underwater? What is Earth's largest freshwater reserve? What causes lenticular clouds? What animal has no brain nor bones? What bird builds a large nest called eyrie? What natural phenomenon is a haboob? What phenomenon causes blue jet lightning? What animal can glow in the dark? What bird can fly backwards? What is Earth's largest known cave chamber? What causes ice caves? What animal has natural ink for defense? What bird is the symbol of wisdom? Appreciate your time. Hit that bell so you never miss a video.